The chef's culinary adventure, creating flavors that delight. In a cozy kitchen, there was a little girl named Emma. She loved cooking and making yummy food. Emma dreamed of becoming a chef one day. She would spend lots of time in her kitchen, mixing ingredients and making tasty dishes. Emma wanted to make food that made people happy. She liked seeing smiles on their faces when they tasted her cooking. Emma knew that being a chef would take hard work, but she was determined to make her dream come true. Every day, Emma would try different recipes. She made pancakes for breakfast, sandwiches for lunch, and cookies for dessert. Her family and friends loved trying her yummy treats. One day, Emma heard about a cooking competition for kids. She thought it was her chance to show off her skills. With her parents' help, she signed up and practiced making her special dish. On the competition day, Emma was a little nervous but also excited. She put on her chef's hat and apron and went to the busy kitchen. There were lots of other young chefs getting ready. Emma carefully made her dish a colorful and healthy salad. She used fresh veggies and a special dressing she made herself. The salad looked pretty and tasted great. The judges tried Emma's salad and really liked it. They said it was delicious and creative. Emma felt happy and proud. Even though she didn't win, she knew she did her best. Emma's cooking journey was just beginning. She kept learning and getting better. She took cooking classes, read cookbooks, and watched cooking shows to learn more. Her friends and family loved trying her new recipes. Emma's dream of being a chef stayed strong. She knew that with practice and hard work, she could make her dreams come true. And so, Emma cooked with love and joy. She made tasty food that made people happy. Her story inspired other kids to follow their dreams and work hard, knowing that even as kids, they can make a difference with their talents and determination.